Gutter rat, gutter rat loser, Joey Sneeze. Bro, first of all, you need to change your clothes. Hey, idiot. Somebody must have told one of your flunky loser rats. Probably told you, well, you look nice in that shirt. So, of course, like you do with your jeans, you wear them 15 times in a row, then take them off, and they just be standing in the corner waiting for you to put them back on. So, take that ugly shirt off. And those ugly sunglasses, they are women glasses. And you didn't pay, you ain't even come close to paying that. Bro, you are the dumbest human being on this planet for so many reasons. I'm just gonna pick a couple for you right quick. Bro, remember when you told that chick that had much more money than you did? She's stupid. She shouldn't have went put in the bank. She's stupid. This and that. This and that. She don't got money. And look at your sorry, worthless rat self. Talking about, I put my money in stocks and stuff. You don't got no bank account. You don't got no money to put no stocks. You know why? Because you don't know how to even manage your own money. You probably you go buy stuff you don't need. You rather type on a bus. You rather be on a bus with a laptop that probably costs $200-300 instead of saying, how about I get tired of riding on a bus and get like myself a little vehicle? No, not you, rat. You're just dumb, and you be having the nerve to talk about other people don't know how to do that. Man, you need to shut the f up. That's why when I whoop your tail, bro, I'm gonna make sure you can't go on YouTube for a week. Cause I'm putting knots on you, bro. I cannot wait, man. I hope you take this as a joke. I hope you take this as just another empty threat. I hope you do, because, bro, that's gonna make it even sweeter when I finally roll up on you. You are so happy you back on YouTube. But this was, we know, you a pussy. You said YouTube was a clown, and y'all ain't coming back. You're done. This and that. Look at you. Look at you. Worthless maggot. Right back on YouTube, literally the next day. And then you go try to act tough, like, I ain't coming back here. I ain't hearing nothing. I ain't hearing nothing. Everybody trying to hear your funky self. How many times you lied and said you gonna quit YouTube? You are the bummest of the bummest person I ever seen. No, you and Warford is the two bummest human dudes on this planet. Both of y'all are worthless men. You when I heard your sorry self say you're a kid at 30, you ain't no mother effing kid at 30. Talking about somebody called you a baby. You ain't no baby. You probably want to get treated like a baby, don't you? Little pussy. I always got the nerve to call people broke and this and that. Your broke butt is riding a bus. A bus. With the same clothes you wore yesterday. With the same clothes you wore yesterday. But people are homeless and broke. Coming from a person that lives in hotels. Lives in hotels. Don't even got an address. You don't even got a... You know how simple you are? You don't even have an address. You don't even own nothing. And you keep trying to say that jury is real. Man, that crap ain't nothing but freaking paperweights. You're just so dumb. You know, you keep on trying to attack women. Why? Because they don't want nothing to do with your sorry butt. And you know what? I think it's a shame that you talk all tough to Frost. She's a female, bro. A female. Oh, I get it now. You only can talk tough to females. You only could probably beat up females. But you probably can't do that. Because I seen you little fighting expedition you put on. You are a terrible fighter, bro. It's going to be fun knocking you out. We ain't putting on no goddamn gloves. No, we fighting like men, remember? Yeah, you say, oh, I'm gonna slap you, I'm gonna slap this. Bro, we ain't putting on no gloves, we ain't wrapping our hands up. I'm knocking you out. I'm putting your sorry butt to sleep, bro. And then I hope the guy, the little rat, gutter rat, minions follow too. Cause I knocked them out too. Cause they affiliate with you, they pussies just like you are. And dumb just as much as you are. You are such a hypocrite. Go tell that chick she had well over more money than you. And you go try to say she's stupid for having her money in the bank. And then your sorry worthless butt said, oh, I got money in the bank. You ain't seen my bank statements. No, the F you don't. You would have showed you're such a child. You'd have showed us 50 times about your bank statement. You'd have showed us, man. You'd have been so happy. And you keep saying, I got $3,400. Well, if you got $3,400, show us. Show us. Show us. Go to the bank. Take the money out. Cause banks got little private rooms you can count your money in. Go to the bank. Say, I'd like to withdraw $3,400 just to show people, and then put it right back in a bank if you got a bank account and you got a bank statement. So, what excuse are you going to use this time? Gutter rat. You keep saying, I don't got to do it. But boy, every time your butt get over $50, you already showing people. You are like, you're with people call this flat out gutter trash. Because you would just lie just to make a point. Just to get people to believe you. Even though you're lying through the skin of your teeth. You are just a pathological liar, man. And then you have the nerve to try to act like you tough or something. Like you just bad to the bone type tough. Like, yeah, I beat anybody up. No, darn well, man, you're a pussy. You're a pussy, bro. I tell you what, I guarantee you probably be sucking wing in alleys down there in Texas, because that's something you're worth. That's why I always got that nasty looking money. Nasty looking crumbled up ones. Ugh. God, you're such a loser. And you're a broke one too, bro. You need to stop thinking. If somebody said one comment to you, probably like nice, you got those nice glasses you got or something, and now your simple-minded, sorry self just ran with it. Now you can probably wear them every day if you can. And that ugly shirt, bro. You look like you're trying to be a freaking Miss. You look like a Mr. Potato Head with those sunglasses on. Your stupid nose just be pointing out. You have no sun. Good Lord, you look homely, bro. Man, it's just like, bro, you try your hardest to pick people down. You try your hardest because you know why? Because you have nobody in your life. Nobody. You got a faggot. You had a faggot poor father. You know, and I usually respect people that pass away, but you know what? Your ratchet, worthless father go molest little boys? Molest little boys? F you, man. F him. Oh, faggot. He right where he belong. And you know, when you keep going on like that too, bro, you'll be right with him. It's disgusting. A grown man having sex with little boys. What the F is wrong with y'all, man? I mean, that's just disgusting. And don't try to lie and say I didn't know. Because by the looks of you, you think you're entitled. Bro, you think you're entitled for stuff. And I'm like, why do you think you're entitled? Why? You're worthless. You ain't worth nothing. You have nothing. All your possessions is in a mother effing book bag, bro. Book bag. I mean, good Lord, man. God, you are just lonely. I mean, every time I watch you talk, and all the lies come out your mouth, man. It's like one lie after another. Man. I mean, do it ever stop with you, bro? It's like, I want to say grow up, but you're 30. You should have been grown up. I mean, then you talk trash. And, I mean, good Lord. Bro, you're a loser. Stop fighting it. It's accepted that you are a nobody. And you want to be somebody because if you didn't, you wouldn't be telling all these lies you be saying on here. Telling people you tenant on box, underground box. Show us a fight. Show us a fight. Because, quite frankly, I haven't seen one. And to me, that's just crazy to me that you think that you can get away with. Keep saying like, oh, yeah, I'm tenant on. Bro, you've been tenant on for freaking ever now. Bro, I'm gonna leave you with this, bro. You better take my offer. Because if you don't, and I see you, bro, I'm gonna smash you. I swear I'm gonna smash you, bro. I'm gonna try to pitch you to the freaking floor. Then you could be right next to your faggot father. Faggot pussy too. And that's why I'm coming at you, boy. I'm coming for you, punk. Sissy. Put your money up. You got 34K, right? Put it up. Put up or shut up. Little pussy. Always running your mouth. Take off that fake jewelry, man. And that ugly shirt you got on. Pussy boy. And your pussy followers, too. They nothing but rats, too. Rat minions. Can't think for themselves. You can't think for yourself. So, truthfully, y'all made for each other. Y'all all smell like pussy juice. That's what y'all start calling y'all. Faculty pussy juice. Y'all drink y'all pussy juice all the time. That's the only thing you and your flunkies are. Swear, bro, you run your mouth so much and don't do nothing. So I'm leaving you and your faggot followers, faggot fans, your faggot father too. You better watch out, because I am putting hands on you.